Nag-hunting naman tayo.
I know. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things that you do.
Nose ko talaga. Kita ko na si Gisa. Oo nga, boss.
I came along. I wrote a song for you.
Search isn't over. Why?
All the things that you do.
Over na. Dito na ako.
It was called Yellow. So then I took my time.
Boss G, shoutout na sabi ni Boss Marry Me.
What a thing I've done.
Dito ni ko comment si Emma eh.
And it was all yellow.
Thank you, Mac. Be, kumalma ka.
Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turned into something beautiful. And you know I love you so. You know I love you so.
Be, ako bahala sa'yo kay Enrique. I got you.
Sapphire.
I know, Belen.
I swam across, I jump across for you. Oh, what a thing you do. 'Cause you were all yellow. I drew a line, I drew a line for you, Jenny. Oh, what a thing to do.
Totoo. And it was all yellow. Idadamay na kasi pag mahal nila ako, mas mahal ka nila. Ganun. Di ba, Be? Jenny May, hi.
Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know, for you I'd bleed myself dry. For you I'd bleed myself dry.
Tas di nila alam, Be, no? Tayo pala. Be, di tayo talubin. Next song. Next na to, guys, ha, kasi ano na yun, instrumental na yan, eh. Tomboy ka pala. Be, di ako tomboy. Uy, kung si Enrique pwede pa. Pabalikin si Enrique dito, please lang. Ay, kumari ba tayo? Akala ko, B. Akala ko, B, kaya pa yan, B. Kaya pa yan mas straight. Akala ko lang, eh. Mali mo, pwede pang maisalba. Abay ka sa kasal namin. B, di mo kaya yan ng andito sa Enrique. Di mo kaya yan. Mali mo, nakadami. Anyways, hi guys. Welcome po. Road to first box. Let's go! Sa Hawaii kami ikakasal. Uy! Aantayin kita dito, ha? Siyempre, mauuna ka muna, Be. Okay? Of course! Huwag mo na akong pagastuhin sa pamasahe dyan.